We told my niggas over there.
Princess, you said you were suspecting someone as a sponsor of the kidnap.
It's one stupid girl who thinks his father is wealthy. He threatened that I would never get him.
Sure, sir. Corporal Isaac, why do you barge into my office like that? What's the problem?
Sorry, sir.
Good day, sir.
This is the sister to the kidnapper, sir. She aided and abetted the kidnap operation, sir.
What? Sir?
We arrested her, so let her be joined in the case, sir.
Arrested me? How, sir?
Shut up!
Shut up. Shut up, you conspirator. Oh, really? You people's cup is full today.
Sir, I came here on my own.
Shut up! We arrested her as she's trying to run away in a keke, sir.
Keke? Me? Sir, I have my own car. I came here with my own vehicle, sir.
Shut up! Are you in any way trying to say an officer of the law is lying?
Oh, really? So these are the keke criminals, eh?
Yes, no, sir. I have my own. I came with my own car, sir.
What car? What car? Oh, you hold a car key to pretend that you have a car. Then you use keke to kidnap people.
Exactly,
sir.
Oh, they call them hookers. They're the people that catch men. Then they're Yahoo boys.
Yes, she tried to outsmart us, sir.
Sir, please, there's a heavy misunderstanding going on.
What is it?
If I may, sir, please.
Keep quiet.
Corporal, don't worry. Let me hear the lie she wants to lie. All right, talk. Let me hear you.
If I may, sir.
You may. Go on.
Sir, with all due respect to you, duly respected, sir, you are lying, sir.
What? Officer of the law.
You are misunderstanding the scenario that, sir, the truth of the matter is, my husband today, we already scheduled a wedding this Saturday. So, he has even paid my bride price and everything, all the plan is going up according to plan. Everything is perfect. All of a sudden, he now called and said that the wedding will no longer hold. So what?
So what?
So that is...
Just leave that. What? How does this your cock and bull story relate with the kidnap case that I'm handling here? What is the connection? Oh, you came here to derail the case so that you use technicalities to release. That's what you want.
Abiding citizens.
Shut up! Keep quiet.
I'm back from Singapore, where we dey play with the Singapore. We told my niggas over there.
Madam, the question is, what do you know about the kidnap of Mr. Chukwuka Maduka? That is the question. All this cock and bull story of this one wedding, a cancel wedding, go up and down. This one faint. It's complete nonsense. You know what, Corporal?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Get her arrested. Give her paper.
Sir.
Shut up. Let me talk. Shut up. Sir, what? Who are you saying? Am I your teacher? Sir. Give her paper and pen to write her statement. After that, remand her in prison. She's under arrest.
Sir,
Move it.
This can be an unlawful imprisonment. This can be a lawful imprisonment, sir.
Excuse me. I'm sorry. Please.
Princess.
I think there's something she wants to tell us. Let's listen to her.
Princess, she has nothing to say. This kind of people, you don't know them. This is just a gimmick to confuse this case and then derail it and all that.
DPO, I trust your judgment. I know you know what you're doing, but please let's just listen to her.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Mama.
Stop thanking. Stop thanking.
I appreciate you.
I have a question.
It's because of how?
Yes.
Who is your husband?
Chuks. His name is Chuks, ma. The one that they said is kidnapped. So like I said earlier, we already scheduled the wedding to take place this Saturday. So, out of the... Orisa, you are making me know. Making me... He has even paid my bride price and everything. So, out of the blues, he now said that the wedding was no longer holding. I thought it was a joke. So, I called him. The number was ringing and later it was now switched off. Up until then, till now, I've not set my eyes on him. And I've been dating this man for years. He's the love of my life. I've sacrificed so much for him. You need to understand, I rejected so many suitors because of him.
Please, just hold on. Are we talking about Chuks Madoka?
Yes. Yes, and my brother came back from Singapore. He came back because of this wedding. He came and he now meets me in the hospital because I collapsed on the road due to shock. So when he met me there, he now said, okay, let him go and meet my husband. There's to you people, Mr. Chuks Madoka. He now said, let him meet my husband so that he can make inquiries. Honestly, my brother, he's not a kidnapper, and even me too. I'm not a keke. We are all kidnapper girl. Please.
Kokambu story.
Are you serious about what you just said?
Yeah, I'm serious.
What is the evidence that you are supposed to wed this your phantom wedding? What is the evidence?
I have my wedding gown.
So if you go to court, they will ask you this question. You say, I have my wedding gown. What kind of talk is that? What is the evidence?
I'm not with the car. Okay, so sorry. Okay, I have the e-flyer of the wedding. You see there. If I'm well, Chuks, you see Chuks Madoka.
Let me see.
Everybody is not a criminal in Nigeria. There are good people like me.
Shut up.
What kind of complicated matter is this?
She has said.
No, she has not. She's not picking.
Oh, what about Obodobona?
No news.
Hey, we just keep trying.
God, please.
What is he saying?
If he pick now.
Give me.
I don't understand. I told her to wait for me, let me go with her. She refused. Now she's not picking my calls.
Just pray there's nothing wrong with them. Oh.
My goodness.
Still not connecting.
Where do I go from here? What do I do? I'm confused. I don't know what else to do.
You left me. Oh, maybe.
What is keeping them? What kind of complicated nonsense? Eh? Look at her. You look so simple, only to come here with all kinds of complicated story. Look at this. Hey, what is that? Hey, what is that?
I'm so sorry.
Listen. Do you want me to include you in this kidnap case? Eh? Then behave yourself.
I'm sorry. I haven't seen him since. I'm sorry.
You have the floor.
Mr. Ubonna, I want to confirm what your sister said. That she's due to wed Chuks this Saturday.
Exactly what I was trying to explain. I came down to this country because of my sister's wedding. Only for me to get home and heard that she was in the hospital. I questioned. I heard that the husband called off the wedding. I don't understand. And then he disappeared, abandoning his house. Okay, I searched for him, got him. Not for anything, but to get the information from him. I didn't mean to hurt him. It was not to hurt him, just to get the information.
It's okay. DPO.
Princess.
Excuse me.
Me too, I am very tired. Very tired. Sergeant, take him back to the cell.
Where?
Sir.
Hasn't he suffered enough?
What's the problem? The case is still under serious investigation. Do you want to enter the cell with him? Huh? Take him back to the cell.
Yes, sir.
Move it.
Let's go. Young lady, behave yourself.
Please give me.
Hey, behave yourself.
Now leave my office.
Sir?
What kind of story? Leave my office. What are you still doing here?
Sir, the officer, he took my car keys. Sir, he took my keys, sir. Your officer.
Tina, I don't know what to do. This is the same Chooks that told me that he was single. Only to know that he's going to be married this coming Saturday. I'm confused. I don't know what to do.
Are you serious? No, what exactly was he thinking? That you're not going to find out? Huh?
I don't know. I've told everyone who knows me, everybody, about him and he has broken my trust, my love, everything. And now my sister is going to laugh the hell out of me.
Girl, have you confronted him?
Not yet. I haven't yet. Tell me what to do, girl, please. Tell me, I'm heartbroken. I'm devastated. Just talk to me. What do I do? How do I go from here?
You just can't believe it. You've not... I have told you it's not good to get carried away with men. Men are devils. They are! Have you forgotten my story already? Have you forgotten how I was abandoned at the altar because of one dirty village girl? But you know what I did? I dealt with him severely. You can't do that to me and go scot-free. No way!
I'm short of words. I don't know the right words to use. I don't know if I should scream. I don't know. I just need to think. You need to tell me what to do. Because as it stands, I don't know what to do. Tina, what do I do? What do I do? How do I attend to this? Just talk to me. Tell me something.
I know you, that you're going to be confused, but, well, you know now, we are different. You know, if I was the one, by now, hairs will roll, skulls will crack. But, you know, you're a good girl, you are a sweetheart. Just forgive him and marry him.
Tina, I'm serious. I'm not joking.
My dear, what do you want me to say? Eh? Anyways, confront him, know his reactions first, and you can pick it up from there. But remember, any man that can do this to you at this stage can do worse as time goes on. Nobody would do this to me and go scot-free. Gold diggers everywhere. Anyways, you can take it easy, you know. Just take it easy with him. Later, okay? Bye.
I can't believe that you left me. Or maybe I am dreaming. Or you under a spell. Cause I can't believe that you left me. Or maybe I am dreaming. Or you under a spell.
Me, Tina. Who is that man? Stupid madman. Madmen everywhere. Rubbish. I'm just hurt. How can they do this to a sweet soul?
You left me.
The lady was shocked when I told her about the wedding.
So what did she say?
She didn't say anything, she just walked away.
So it's because of another woman. Because of another woman, Chooks did this to me and my family. He committed this abomination against you, against us in this family.
Because he wants to acquire wealth overnight. He wants money overnight too.
Who could ever believe that Chooks will do something like this? I thought he has some senses in him.
Quiet people. Quiet people.
So, sister, what you're trying to say is that Chooks forgot everything you guys had just because of money.
You have seen it now.
Ha!
You have seen it.
It's like no balance.
So, they took my son back to the cell.
If care is not down, the man that was there was saying, he will cancel the bail application in Lagos, he will cancel it, and they will transfer the case to Abuja, and I will not say it.
Obunda, my son has really suffered a lot. From frying pan to fire. Why is it so? Why all this happening to him? He escaped death in Singapore, came back to his own country, only to be imprisoned. Is it fair? It's not fair.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I feel like it's my fault.
It's not your fault, my daughter. It's not your fault at all. It's that devil. It's that devil, Chooks. He caused it.
I don't know.
When nothing happens to my brother.
He said we should not worry, that he'll be fine.
That's what he will tell us to make us feel good. He's not fine.
I don't know why.
We all know the situation of this country when it has to do with a situation like this. Especially when a rich person is involved. You know how it goes. He's not fine.
I don't know why. I don't know why Obona is bothered with Chooks. I don't know why. God knows, God forbid. I can never marry Chooks again. After this disgrace, I'll now be with him with this disgrace, with this bucket of humiliation everywhere, pouring all over me.
It's okay.
My son.
I don't know.
My son.
I don't know.
My son.
Mama, I'll be leaving for Lagos first thing tomorrow morning. I need to see Brother Chuka face to face. Let me know what exactly is happening. This suspense is too much.
It's okay, my daughter. But you have to be careful. They said Lagos is rough.
I know. You worry too much. I know it's not my first time there and you know.
I know, my daughter. But they said you can never know enough of Lagos. Yes.
I have heard you. Mama, the most important thing right now is to see Brother Chooks face to face. Let me know what the problem is.
My daughter, it's so bad. But immediately you get to Lagos, if you see Chuka, call me immediately. And also tell him that we are tired of answering queries from people concerning his wedding. Okay, Nanoya? And why are his phones always switched off?
I hope he has a better answer for that one. Mama, I need to go and sleep. You know I'll be traveling very early tomorrow. I need to sleep early. I'll wake up early tomorrow.
It's okay, my daughter. Good night, eh?
Good night.
I'm back from Singapore, where we dey play with the Singapore. We told my niggas over there, we dey do things to the core. So make you know they wanna don't mess with a nigga like
Nana, are you not the one I'm calling? I've been calling you since and you ignored me. As if you are not... Oh, because you are dressed like one bird that wants to fly. That is why you cannot talk to anybody again. Aware? Have you heard that your brother's wedding has been stopped, has been shifted? When I was telling you and your mother at your house, you people were mocking me, harassing me. Now, what happened last? What happened last? Are you sure you are not even the one that asked your brother to stop that wedding? So that I, Ekekwe, will not go for that Lagos. You see that? Where do you think you are going? Where are you going carrying bag? Where are you going carrying bag? If it was then when you were still in school, I would say, hey, she's going back to school. But you are done with schooling. So where are you still going with bag? Hey! Stay at the place. Stay one place so that all these boys can see you and ask you. They will ask you, are you getting married or are you... Look at you. Look at you. Stay one place so that one of these boys will come and ask for your hand in marriage. And take you in. So that I will be the person that will supply palm wine that people will drink on that day. I will turn contractor and supply drinks, and I will get gifts from our in-laws. So they will show me love. But the way I am seeing you, you won't even allow your husband to give anybody anything. Sheshe, you that I know. Yeah, let me tell you. It's better you go and change this your nonsense attitude. Now, it will not pay you. It can never pay you. You have a very bad character. That is why you have not married. Look at you. If eyes are to be knife, you would have used a knife to stab the whole of myself. Idiot. Oh, you are even stopping by as if you are stopping bears. They have eaten you. They have chopped you. Nothing remains. Oh, you are doing me. Look at your head. You can't even do the very well. You went to go and buy vegetable and come back. Just be fooling yourself there. Dude, let me come and supply palm wine. Let me come and supply palm wine. You are telling the other man to drive faster so that you won't be hearing what I am saying.
I'm back from Singapore, where we dey play with the Singapore. We told my niggas over there, we dey do things to the core. So make you know they wanna don't mess with a nigga like me.
Hi. Mr. Man, Madam want to see you immediately.
I hope there's no problem.
Every time you ask me, gonna ask me question. Can I don't want to see you immediately. Can I ask me problem? Is that my business?
Hey, calm down. All right, just calm down. Let me make a quick call, okay?
La ilaha illallah. Will you put that call now? Tell you when I want to see you immediately. Can I book a wire? Put that call.
I just said let me make a call, okay?
I move immediately outside.
Hey, who's that for?
You are paying me?
Can I get my phone now?
I want to fight me?
I said I need my phone. I want to make a phone.
Well, lie! I will smash this phone on the ground here soon. If you don't, walk out of this place now.
Just give me back my phone, please. I'm not part of this.
Give
me back my phone.
I don't want to call. Come on, no.
You left me, or maybe I am dreaming. Oh, you under a spell. Cause I can't believe that you left me. Or maybe I am dreaming. Oh, you under a spell. Remember how we used to love each other, and all our plans to build up our family. Hope you remember the agenda. Will you throw it back to my face now? Just tell me what's the problem. Maybe together we will.
Babe. Babe, are you alright? Listen, those guys were not nice at all. They were not nice. I said I was going to tell you.
In one word, Chooks, tell me if it's true. You'll be married to a lady called Ifoma this weekend.
Hey. Babe, the thing is I can't...
One word.
If you let me explain that.
You low life idiot! You think you can come into my life and destroy it and toy with my life after everything I have spent? Do you know what it took me to love someone? Do you know?
Babe, it's not what you think. Darling. You want to hit me again?
You're fighting me.
No.
You're fighting me.
I just don't...
You're fighting me?
No.
Chooks, you are fighting me.
How can I fight you? Mommy, please.
Let go of me.
Please don't go outside. Babe, please.
Treat him like an enemy.
Please, I don't come again.
Very first time I saw you, well, I knew you're a very stupid boy. And I've never liked you.
Sir, please. Sir, please, I beg you.
You have the boss.
I beg you, sir. I beg you.
You must collect. You must collect. We run things here. You must collect. Just came back to Singapore, baby. You must collect. You must collect. You must collect.
Now good.
I can't believe that you left me. Or maybe I am dreaming. Or you under a spell. Cause I can't believe that you left me. Or maybe I am dreaming. Or you under a spell. Remember how we used to love each other, and all our plans to build up our family. Hope you remember the agenda. Will you throw it back to my face now? Just tell me what's the problem. Maybe together we will solve it. But do not leave me, I am begging you please. I may not survive if it feels like I am dreaming. My world is crumbling. I can't believe this happening now. I can't believe you leaving me. What is my offense? Tell me now, I will apologize. But do not leave me now, I am begging you, my love. Where we dey play, we dey sing and ball. We talk my niggas over there, we dey do things to the core. So make you know they wanna don't mess with a nigga like me. And if you stepping on my toes, you are doomed. You must collect. You must collect. You must collect. You must collect. We run things here. You must collect.
With that, take a minute now.
Cletus, is my brother around?
No, Moga traveled.
Since when?
Moga traveled since on Sunday, sorry, on Saturday.
So, did he say when he will come back?
I don't know.
I'm his sister, I'm not a visitor.
I know, madam, I know.
Okay, so tell me, what's wrong with my brother? I'm just coming from the village. Everybody's been trying to reach him. We are worried. His phones are switched off.
I just tell you that, I don't know. They ask me a question. I don't know. If I know, I will tell you where he go. I don't know where he go and when he's coming back. I don't know anything. I don't know at all.
Okay, let me go inside.
No enter at all. I won't make them sack me. My God say if you know, they might not allow anybody enter this compound. Yeah, you won't enter. Make I sack.
You have not changed one bit, Cletus. You have not changed.
Madam, change from what to what?
I'm his sister for God's sake. I'm his sister for heaven's sake.
Madam, for heaven's sake too. Let me be the gateman for this compound. I say no, they tell me. I bet they go, darling.
They go the well and that's it. Just the labor, just as Ibah. My potaze kokukibo. Chaba can say pese ya kopusin efibo. Them they try to play smart, even when the name no be this man. But after all the bother, they can still come live for the mat. And they man now are body short. The guy could be young number. And they boom on way as far as you know one they think. Maybe you get TV. Now shaggy DVD. Let's say your tape or man watch you get a big TV. You must collect. You must collect. You must collect. We run things here. You must collect. I just came back from Singapore, baby. You must collect. You must collect. You must collect.
Uncle Mike.
Not as much.
Yeah. Uncle Mike, what happened to you?
It's just a minor accident. Okay, so what are you doing in the city?
I came in from the village just now. Is it not that Chooks' security man? He's misbehaving. Oh. He will not let me inside. He will not let me wait for Chooks. He will not tell me where Brad Chooks is.
Nina, come on, you don't have to blame him, okay? He's working under strict instructions. Okay? As for Chooks, Chooks is admitted in the hospital.
Huh? Brother, what happened? Hospital? How?
Nina, please calm down, okay? Calm down. Relax. Relax. There's nothing to worry about, okay? It's just a little typhoid and malaria. Alright? Please calm down. Yes. Nothing to worry about, okay? Please.
Okay, I need to see him immediately.
It's
My
okay.
mom is very worried.
It's all right.
We've been calling him, all his numbers are switched off.
It's okay. I'm actually heading to the hospital right now. Okay?
Oh, really?
We can go together.
Okay,
right?
please.
They try to play smart, even when the name not be this man. But after all the bother, they go stick on life for the mat. And they man as I'm on the shop. The guy could be a number. And they boom on way as far as you know one is it guy. Maybe you get TV. You left me. Or maybe I am dreaming. Oh, you're nice, man. Cause I can't believe that you left me.
Hello, DPO.
Hello, Princess. How are you?
I'm okay.
Princess, what about this case? What are we doing about it? Where are we on it? I want to charge these criminals to court tomorrow.
DPO, I am no longer interested in that case. Okay? I just found out that my fiance is the cause of everything. But not to worry. I'm going to deal with him in my own way. As a matter of fact, I am dealing with him in my own way. As for the other guys, do what you like to them. Alright?
That's okay. It's alright. I understand the situation. But just take it easy, huh? Some of these young boys can be very, very annoying. They want to reap where they did not sow. Gold diggers, that's what they call them.
Thank you very much.
Listen, Princess. Your father was a great man. And nobody can toy with his name as far as I am concerned. Huh? If you need my assistance to deal with that idiot, let me know.
Alright, have a nice day.
Well, it's okay. Take care of yourself, eh?
They try to play smart, even when the name not be this man. But after all the bother, they go stick on life for the mat. And they man as I'm on the shop. The guy could be a number. And they boom on way as far as you know.
I should do whatever I like with them. Corporal, report immediately.
You must collect. You must collect. We run things here. You must collect. I just came back from Singapore, baby. You must collect. You must collect.
I am taking this case to court tomorrow. So you should better inform your lawyer. That's why I invited you here.
My lawyer is already on the way. DPO, we can actually settle this matter amicably.
Settle what? What is there to settle? We are going to court. You should go to court and prove your case. That is the normal thing. Arrest, investigation, court.
You have confirmed that Chukwuka is my in-law. And also he cancelled his wedding with my kid sister because he met a rich man's daughter.
And so, that is your concern. The wedding, all those stories are not my concern. My concern is the case of kidnapping. You kidnapped a man, tortured and traumatized him. Under the law, you are liable. I am taking you to court. That's my interest.
DPO, we can settle this. I'm ready to cooperate with your men. Let's settle this amicably.
So it is now you realize that you need to cooperate with my office. You came back from abroad. Instead of coming here first to identify and cooperate with my office first, you decided to go and do kidnapping. Now you have entered my trap. There's no going out. We're going to court. Counsel, I don't know why you are insisting on seeing the complainant. It is not necessary. You are a lawyer and you know that this is a crime case. So the implication is that it is between your client and the state. The complainant only serves as a witness in court. So if you want to interrogate him or if you want to cross-examine him, you wait for him in court. Simple.
I know, DPO. However, the disposition of the complainant will go a long way to determine the color and scope of this case. Especially the fact that, as we all know, there's an external story attached to this particular incident. Please, use your good office to see what you can do about this.
Fine girl. Tell your lawyer that this big long grammar will take you people nowhere. I'm taking this case to court as soon as possible. I have told you the position of the law. I am a custodian of the law. And I have told you what will be. You will not see the complainant. It is not necessary.
You know what I want? Just to have them on bail. For now, at least. My clients are very ready.
Yes.
To cooperate with your office.
We are ready.
Yes, we are. Please. I know you're a good man, DPO. Please.
You should have talked about this bail long ago instead of all this rigmarole, speaking big grammar that will not take you anywhere. So you want to take them on bail, eh? No problem. No problem. Because of you, you have really suffered this matter. No problem. But it's not in my place to discuss that. You meet the IPO. Yes, meet the IPO. I don't interfere in bail matters. As a matter of fact, bail is free in this office. Yes, bail is free. So you meet him, you discuss with him, whatever you agree on, he will get back to me. Otherwise, court threats. Yes, I have concluded my investigations and headquarters is interested in this case. So if you don't do the needful, as soon as possible, whatever you see, you take it.
I understand. I concur with everything you've said. Hence, we'll get back to you as soon as possible. It's a promise. We'll get back to you.
It's okay. But not today. Again, I am tired. I've closed for the day. In fact, I'm already having headache. Do you know what it means to be on this seat? Handling all the criminal matters all over the place. Criminals, Yahoo boys all over the place. Everything is on my head. Is it easy?
No, it's not.
But sir, it's your job.
Did I say it's not my job? Did I say I'm going to resign? I said, don't make it hotter for me. Don't put more stress on my head. Go and discuss with the IPO.
They try to play smart, even when the name not this man. But after all the bother, they can still come life for the mat. And they man now about the shop. The guy could be young number. And they boom on way as far as no one is guy. Maybe you get TV. Now shaggy DVD.
Sorry, please. My name is Mike. Okay, I'm Chuksi's friend. This is his sister. Please, do you know where we can find him? I've been trying to call Madam. She's not taking our calls.
Guys, you are Chuk's friend, right?
Yes. I remember we both met at the hospital the day Chuks was released from the kidnappers.
He's back to the hospital. He had an accident.
Accident? When? How?
Hey, what a hooker? You're asking me when, how? We'll go to the hospital and you'll find out yourself.
Hey, use the gate. Now.
Wallahi, I will slap you. I think you go to the hospital and confirm. You're asking me.
I said use the gate!
Sorry.
Sorry.
Use the gate. Tunde, can you imagine this idiot asking me how, when?
Jesi lebane jesi zibo. Mapotaze kokukibo. Chaba kanzepeze ya kopusi efibo. Them they try to play smart, even when the name no be this man. But after all the bother booty, they can still come live for the mat. And they man naza body shot. The guy who could be a number. And they boom on way as far as you know one it's maybe.
Brother, it's me, Nena. What happened to you?
Accident.
Accident?
Accident?
How? Brother, when? Where?
Chooks, when? Where did this happen?
Please leave him alone. You have to rest.
No, would he be okay? Would he be fine?
He'll be okay.
Nurse.
My God.
Nurse. How did he get here? Who brought him here?
I don't know.
Chooks.
Babes, I dealt with him. Like, I dealt with the living daylight out of him. Right now, as I speak to you, he's in the hospital with broken bones. I doubt if he'll recover in months. That's my girl. Now you're talking. Hey! But you know you're a good girl. If I'm the one, I am going to frame him up and get him arrested. For now, let me just enjoy his misery. Like, I'll just sit back and enjoy it. Then next, I'll think of what to do to him again to, just to give him another one. Because he's a very stupid guy. In fact, it's a lesson to every cheating man. Honestly. Hey, enjoy it, baby. Savor it, my love. I hate it when men think they can do anything they like and get away with it.
Honestly, I didn't see this coming. But trust me, girl, I will make him suffer. Can you imagine? He made me lose Femi. I just told Femi off because of that idiot. Eh?
What is wrong with you? We are talking about another thing. You're talking about Farouk. Who is Farouk? Who is Farouk? All of them they are evil. They are the same thing, whether Farouk or Farouk or whatever. They are the same thing. What is it? Take a chill pill, my dear. Because as for me, Tina, I am going to enjoy myself to the fullest. Enjoyment galore. That's my name. Because when I get old, you know what I'm going to do? I am going to employ one person, a young Pino guy, that is going to be my slave. And I'm going to he's going to be at my service all the time. Anytime I want him, he is going to be there to service me. Anytime, any day, he is going to be my own personal slave. Yes, baby girl, that is what I'm going to do. I pity the next chapter in your life, honestly. Girl, I'm just gonna sit here and watch that fool suffer in misery. He has to suffer for what he did. He just has to suffer. Fool. Hasn't seen anything yet. Of course, he's going to see hell. The poor boy is going to see hell. He's going to pay for everything. I mean, every damn thing man has done to me. That particular one is going to pay for it. And he's going to pay for it real good. He's going to suffer, honestly. Alright. Yes. Okay, baby girl. Take care of yourself. Sleep tight. Bye. Hey, that's my girl. That's my girl. We need to deal with them. Which one is men's role? Women can even do better. Nonsense.
Who price market go buy, who buy market go pay, and who pay must to collect. Collect and what do.
My target is to become an AIG in the next 2 or 3 years. It's possible. I have the connections. Oh, now you know. Okay now. So we meet at the club. Okay. Later. Johnson. As you are. Sergeant.
Sir.
What is the situation?
Okay, sir. Yes, sir. Yeah,
Okay. Counsel, you can now go ahead with the IPO to do the paperwork. But remember, this is just bail, not case closed.
I understand.
You understand it?
I
You're a lawyer now.
I do.
The case has not closed. It's just bail.
I know. Thank you very much.
Go ahead. Go.
Yes, sir.
What is? Hello, young lady. Ifeoma, I didn't ask you to go with me. Sit down.
Sir?
Sit down. I have some advice I want to give you concerning this matter. Sit down. Yes. You're really a very caring sister. I see the way you're running around for your brother.
Yeah, I try my best.
That's wonderful. Don't worry, I will release your brother to you. The moment they finish up with the paperwork, I'll release him.
Okay. Thank you so much, sir.
Good. I was just wondering, what exactly happened. Why that man just abandoned the wedding like that. Did you cheat on him?
Cheat?
Yes, cheat.
Me? No, nothing like that happened. He just sent me a message out of the blue that the wedding will not be holding anymore. So.
Really? That is very wicked. That's very wicked. I thought it's some of these things that we hear up and down, that on the eve of the wedding or something like that, you see the bride and the best man, they will be in one corner doing some naughty things. I thought that was what kind of thing that happened. Why the man just abandoned the wedding.
That's not the case, sir. That's not it.
Yeah. It's not the case.
It's not the case, sir.
Okay. It's okay. I believe you. I know you will not do that kind of thing. You're really a good girl. You look like my daughter. Yes. You look very much like her. Just that you look very much like her. Just that she's younger. She's just 16.
Oh.
Yes, she turned 16 years last month. I did a very beautiful birthday party for her.
Happy birthday to her.
Yes.
Thank you for thank you for the information. Let me go outside and meet with the others and know what's happening.
No, you don't have any business there. It is between the lawyer and the IPO. What are you going to be doing there? It's paperwork. Are you not enjoying my company?
No, your company is enjoyable by human beings. I thought we were done.
No, why are you behaving like this? I'm trying to help you and you're running away. Why are you running away?
No, I thought we.
Don't you know I can cancel this whole bail application? You don't know? I can cancel this whole bail application and transfer this case to Abuja.
I'm so sorry.
I'll transfer the case to Abuja and you will be going from here to Abuja to pursue the case. Is that what you want?
No, sir. Please see me as your daughter. I'm so sorry. I thought we were done with the conversation.
If you want me to see you like my daughter, you behave like one. Now, what is all this? Somebody is talking to you like a gentleman. You should be responding like a good girl.
No, we are relating like father and daughter, sir. I'm so sorry, sir.
Anyway, it's you can go. Anytime you need any assistance, come to me. Anybody that looks for your trouble in this city, if your brother is not around, run to me. I'll be there for you. You understand? Anybody that looks for your trouble and you bring the matter here, I don't want to tell you what I will do to that person. Okay? Thank you. Hold on. This is a special card for special people. Have it, my card. If you have any issue, call me on this number. There's only one number here. It's a very special number.
I have it already. My lawyer gave it to me.
Who is your lawyer? Take my card. I'm giving you a special card from signed and sealed by me. What are you saying?
It's the same color, sir.
You're very stubborn like your brother.
I'm so sorry, sir. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Daddy, for everything. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. Thank you.
I'm the DPO here.
Thank you.
And your friend. You can go.
Thank you, friend.
Who price market go buy, who buy market go pay, and who pay must to collect. Collect and what do. Sumo pursue for jungle. You deal with me, the struggle.
This girl is stubborn.
We go play like Royal Rumble. I'm back from Singapore, where we dey play with the Singapore. We turn my niggas over.
Wait. The evil that men do lives with them. I knelt down and prayed to God that He would disgrace you for all you did to me in this town.
Adesuwa, what are you doing here? What nonsense are you talking about?
And why were you afraid if you don't know what I'm talking about? Mike, after all the promises, you cheated me. And you even transferred the cheating and the jilting spirit to your friend Chooks.
Listen.
I thought was more responsible.
Listen, Adesuwa. For the up-10th time, Adesuwa, I never ever promised you marriage. Never! I'm actually wondering how many responsible men will want to keep you in their homes with this your cantankerous character.
Me? It's you and your entire generation that have cantankerous character. You are mad, you are stupid. Mike, when the going was good, you said that I was exciting. I was this, I was that. But now, I'm now the devil. God will reward all of you for trying to paint me black in this time, including that so-called deformer.
Hey, take it easy. Slow down, okay? Slow down. Listen, nobody ever conspired against you. It was your nasty character, your character that worked against you. Slow down. You're gradually losing it. This is exactly how madness.
Mike, it's you that will run mad. You are crazy, you are stupid. You are very, very stupid. It's you that will run mad in this town. Look at this man, though. Look at this man. Bring down this glass. Mike, you're not going. Mike! You're stupid! Useless man! Idiot! I wish I can just break your glass. Useless man.
Obona, please. I don't know what you're up to, but let me just tell you, let me state it to you very clearly. I will have nothing to do with a man who treats me badly. I keep asking you, what is the plan? You say, I have a plan, you don't want to explain it to me. So, if you're not going to tell me, keep it to yourself and just keep me out of it. Please, I'm begging you. I will have nothing to do with a man that treats me very, very badly. No. I keep asking you what is the plan. You say, I have a plan. You don't want to explain it to me. So keep it to yourself and keep me out of it. Okay?
Little sister, all the okwaku. And all the okwaku. And okwaku. So yeah, I'm
serious.
Listen, you know I will not do anything to undermine your happiness. You know, right? You're my kid sister.
Okay. Why do you want me to marry someone in crutches? A man who has publicly disgraced me. Someone who has openly said he does not love me. We are not meant to be together. Why?
Okay,